Hi, ladies. I'm going to try to help troubleshoot downloading Istation to your computer. When you're on your Wake ID portal, go to NC Ed Cloud or Home Base. When you get to NC Ed Cloud, go to the blue button that says Istation. Right here where it says for students, click this blue button that says launch the Istation application. So this is what was happening earlier in the session this morning, is that when you get to this button, even if you click open the imagination station, if you click this button, it was still saying launch failed. Okay, I'm not going to click this button, open the imagination station, because I already have Istation downloaded on my computer. So I just waited a minute. Even if you click the open the imagination station and you see this screen, launch failed, scroll down. I'm going to hit cancel. Scroll down to the bottom and click this blue button where it says download Istation. When you get to this screen, scroll down to where it says Windows and download Istation for Windows. When you click that button, there'll be something that'll pop up down here on the left side of your screen. Click that and it will say install. Go ahead and install it. It will automatically default to the default install, which is fine, and click next. Okay, it will bring you to this screen, or at least it should. If it brings you to this screen, what you need to do is click the exit button and restart your computer. Okay, now let's say you click this download Istation and you go through the install process and you hit next. And if this screen does not show up, that's when you need to let me know, because another screen that could show up for you is where you have to enter a domain address. If that's the case, let me know that it brings up enter domain password, and I will tell you what to do. Okay, right now I'm just going to hit exit, and then I'm just going to go back here and I'm going to stop this recording. And you let me know if you have questions, if this is helpful, and if not, we'll jump on a Google Meet and you can share your screen with me and I can help walk you through the process.